Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me, Sarah, at Free Mind, where education equals freedom. We're giving you English for a better life, better work, and better schooling. I had a request from one of you guys, so I'm answering your question in this video. The question was, how do you make the sound for the letters O-U-G-H, as in the word rough? Now the question might seem simple, but actually it's quite complicated because in English there are 7, if not more if you're British, 7 sounds for the letters O-U-G-H. The sounds are uff, o, ow, oo, off, aw, up. Can you believe it? 7 sounds for O-U-G-H, and they include different vowel sounds and even different consonant sounds like f and p. Let's go through them one by one. The first sound is uff, like rough or enough. A non-O-U-G-H word is stuff. One comment here is that it's a f sound, not a v sound. So if you take your 2 fingers and put them on your neck, or your throat here, you should make a f sound. There's no vibration. If you make v, there's a vibration feeling there. Okay? Make sure your teeth are touching your bottom lip. And we're just making the f sound. Rough, enough. The second sound is O, like dough or though. And a word that's non-O-U-G-H is so. Make sure your lips are rounded. O. The third sound is ow. Ow. This is a diphthong, so your mouth starts in one position and moves to another. Ow. And your lips are still rounded. Ow. Like in the word plow. Nowadays, we often spell the word plow P-L-O-W, but we still want to consider this in our efforts to explain O-U-G-H. A non-O-U-G-H word for this sound is the word how. The fourth sound is ooh. Again, your lips are rounded, okay? Through. Non-O-U-G-H word like do. The fifth sound is off, like the word cough. Cough. And simply like the word off. The sixth sound is aw, with no F sound, like the word bought or fought. A non-O-U-G-H word for this sound is rot. The last sound for O-U-G-H is probably the strangest to me because it doesn't make sense with the spelling, doesn't make sense with the sounds or anything. But the O-U-G-H actually makes an up with the P, up. And it's as in the word hiccup. Or simply it's in the word up. There you have it. 7 sounds for O-U-G-H. I hope that helps you guys out. Please keep watching our videos, subscribe, like, comment, and share them with your friends so they can learn too. See you guys in the next video.